Hi, it's Mindy from Time to Unwind, and I got home from walking the dog. It was a little dark, and I almost tripped over some packages on the porch. I didn't realize there would be more. And so, why not? I thought I would show you what was in at least one of them. I could show you more, but why not this one? I've not done this. It's Paradise Fibers. I don't know if I've ever done it for you. So, here we go. Fiber of the month. Club members only. In your box, 3 ounces of the new Constellation range colorway Galaxy in a black star printed organza bag. Merino Tussle Silk in a 70-30 blend. Then 2 ounces of one of 12 possible Constellation Rain colorways in a coordinating color star printed organza bag. See the insert to see which one you received. We'll see. And then 2 ounces of one of 6 possible space dyed wool colorways in a Galaxy paper bag. We'll see which one that came up with. 1 sample of Angelina Glitz in a UFO container, 2 gemstone stitch markers, star and moon, fit size up to US 0 through 7 needles, and 1 Chamomile Nights herbal stash tea, 1 of 12 possible limited edition vinyl sheep stickers, Constellation range, and 1 handmade glow-in-the-dark Star Diz. Wow. It says, welcome to new members and save 10% on fiber with the code club. Well, I'm not a new member at this point, but that sounds pretty cool. So let's see what is in here, and then I'll have to look at the back. So it's a sparkly galaxy type thing, and there might even be some actually constellations printed on there, so I'll be careful opening this so I can show it to my son who would know. And some of these papers are taped down. I got most of the tape cut before I came on. Oh dear. Okay, I think I got it. Nope, but that's what's going to happen. It's going to tear a little bit. Oh my golly. This is going to be fun. All right. A black star printed organza bag. Would that be this one? Isn't this pretty? Can't tell if it's really black or blue, or maybe what's in it is blue. And this would be Tussle Merino Silk. Did I read that wrong? Merino Silk. Merino Tussle Silk. If I can reverse something, I will. So this should be very, very... Oh, can I spin this? Look at this. Okay, that will be fun. That is nice. Okay, what is next? Okay. This is a goodie bag type thing. Let's see if I can get it open. I may have to come back to it if I can't figure out how to unloosen it. Come on. Am I that weak and decrepit? There it goes. Oh, this is a goodie bag type thing. And in it, I have Stash Tea, Chamomile Nights. I have the star-shaped Diz. And wasn't this cute? The Angelina Glitz. It's got its own little container. Oh, I like that. I like it the way it is. I don't know whether I want to use it just because it's so pretty. And are these the 2 stitch markers? Okay, I'm dropping them. Oh, this one's a moon. And this one's a star. And I will have to ask my son what type of stone these are. It's lovely having a son who is a geology major. He can answer questions like that. So let me tuck these back in. And we'll move on to the next bag. This is so much fun. Let's see what this our sticker this month. The U is printed with a constellation. What does this say? I have absolutely no idea why we have something with Taurus in it, or Venus. It's the ruling planet, it says. But there we are. Now what's next? We're not done here by any means. Now what's in the paper sack? 2 ounces of one of 6 possible space-dyed wool colorways in a Galaxy paper bag. See insert to see which one you've got. Okay, very carefully peel that open so I can close it again. I love the paper bag. Gosh. Stay here, box. All right, I'll have to find the insert. But this is bright and colorful. Now, did they say 2 ounces of that? No, this is the 3. No, that's not. This is the 2 ounces. Oh, I'll bet that's what this means. The Taurus is probably which colorway I received. All right, that makes sense now. Let's tuck that back in there. What did I do with my tape? Don't know what I did with my tape. I think I stuck it to that. So let's see what's next. There is one more bag in here, plus some fancy packing stuff. And there's nothing underneath it, so we're good there. What is in this bag? Isn't this pretty? They make it so much fun. Now, does this mean I've received it's either Taurus or Venus, and I don't know. Okay, the Venus was the space dyed. So let's see what's in what the Taurus is. And this should be I'm sorry, it takes me a minute to read. It doesn't tell me what the fiber here is unless I read further, but oh, ooh. Okay. You know the really sad thing about these colors? I look at them and I see, oh, those are perfect colors for a spindling class because I like to teach people with colors that will show the twist. Hopefully they're not spinning this thick, but but I like them to be able to see the twist as it goes in. So this must be the Taurus one, and the other one must have been the Venus. I'll figure it out. But this is kind of cool. I've often thought that, you know, the Paradise Fiber Club is fun. It's worth it. So, now I have to put all my toys away. If I can. Get them all back in here. There's a lot. Okay. And then for me, I can keep reading and see what other cool things they have to say on here. And for you, if you want to just do something fun, consider trying a Paradise Fiber of the Month Club box. You never know what their theme will be and what they will send you. But it will be fun. It will be fun. There are a couple of companies that I really have enjoyed, and this is one of them. So, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and it's just a little bonus video, and I hope you'll be back to see the next thing we do. It probably won't be as long as it was the last time, and I'll see you then. Loki might even look at you that next time. So you can hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and have fun, unwind.